So hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to create a public profile on Snapchat in your iPhone. So it's step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So basically, to do this, all you have to do is have your Snapchat application, head onto your Snapchat, go to the top left corner to your own profile and scroll down to the public profile section, and you will see it's already right there and ready for you to use. It's just that simple. But if you don't really have it, it's not available to you, here's a simple way to do it. So all you have to do is go to the settings, scroll down to privacy controls, and then from here all you have to do is actually set everything here and remove ghost mode and everything, hide your location and all of that, and you have to set it for everyone to see so that it will work. That's the only method it will work in, since this is the only way it can be done. If not, you won't have a public profile appearing in your home screen. But I'm pretty sure you will have your public profile ready to use right here. And as you can see, you can add a new story and more. So there you go guys. That is how you create a public profile here in your iPhone. Thank you for watching and see you again next time.